Eishengyero ry'ikumi rizooba ryashutamu omurundi gw'okubanza. Okushutama oku kwaba kishayi kororo kandi orushutamo oru rwaba rwebembiremu omuramuzi mukuru Dr. Flavia Nzeija. Omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaba ariho obutunu. Ng'okukiri omu mateeka, Eishengyero eri ryaba riine okutorana sipiika hamwe n'omuhwezi wa sipiika kandi eki kyakorwa kyebembirwe Chief Justice.
Of the Constitution, which provides for the offices of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Clause 5 of the same article further stipulates that the Chief Justice or a judge designated by the Chief Justice shall preside over the elections of the Speaker, and thereafter the Speaker shall preside over the election of the Deputy Speaker.
Abantu bashatu abarimu Honorable Jacob Maxon Oboth, Honorable Paul Mwiru hamwe na Honorable Norbert Mao nibo bayisimba ha ntebe ya Speaker w'Eishengyero. Obira Vice President Honorable Jessica Lupo niwe yahaye izina lya Honorable Jacob Maxon Oboth.
I stand here to move a motion for the election of Honorable Oboth Maxon Jacob, Member of Parliament West Budama Central County, as Speaker of the 12th Parliament.
Bwanyuma y'okuheereza amazina gaabo abarikwenda entebe egi ba MP bateera karuru obwe buri omu arikuhandika izina yo arikwenda aha kakongi k'akaruru. Karuru aka Honorable Norbert Mao yatunga obururu 15, Honorable Mwiru Paul yatunga obururu 6 kandi Honorable Oboth Maxons yatunga obururu 41.
Honorable Oboth Maxon Jacob polled 441 votes. Honorable Mwiru Paul polled 60 votes. Honorable Mao Norbert polled 15 votes. I therefore declare Honorable Oboth Maxon Jacob, who has obtained the highest number of 441 votes cast, as the Speaker-elect of the 12th Parliament.
Bwanyuma nkokurahizibwa nka Speaker w'Eishengyero ry'ikumi.
I, Oboth Maxon Jacob, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda in the office of the Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Arikugamba nka Speaker w'Eishengyero ry'ikumi Honorable Maxon Jacob Oboth yaraganisa ngu naza kwebembera Eishengyero erahereze kurungi abanya-Uganda omu mazima kandi n'okwehayo.
Honorable colleagues, we are aware of what has been going through. I pledge a corruption-free parliament. Under my leadership, we will cultivate a culture of absolute integrity and zero tolerance to corruption, anchored in President Museveni's clarion call for corruption-free parliament in the next 5 years.
Wanyuma ogunu yebembere by'okutorana omuhwezi we Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yasinga karuru.
Mr. Speaker, I rise under Rule 6 of the Rules of Procedure of the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda to move a motion that the Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, Member of Parliament representing Ruhinda North constituency on NRM ticket, do take the chair of this Parliament as Deputy Speaker. I beg to move.
I know where we need cleanup. I know where we need to maintain the status quo. And I will be sharing this information with my senior leader, the Right Honorable Oboth, so that we can build a parliament which we are all proud of. If you move out and you say, I'm a member of the 12th Parliament, everyone should be able to say, we appreciate the work you're doing. May God bless you all, and may God bless Uganda, for God and my country.
nirwisha kubaho ebiro bina byo kwa mukaaga 2026.